Hey everyone, welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorials. Today, we're going to show you how to import an image into Photoshop. It's a simple process, so let's get started. First, open Photoshop on your computer. Next, go to the top menu and click on File. In the drop-down menu, select Open. A File Explorer window will pop up. Navigate to the location where your image is saved. Click on the image file you want to import and then click Open. Your selected image will now open in a new Photoshop window. If you want to import the image into an existing project, go back to the File menu and this time select Place Embedded. Again, navigate to the location of your image, select the file and click Place. The image will appear in your current project as a new layer. You can resize and position it as needed before confirming the placement by pressing Enter or clicking the check mark in the top menu. And that's it! You've successfully imported an image into Photoshop. For more helpful tutorials, like, share, and subscribe to Tech Tricks Tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.